If you're a writer, everyday idioms and phrases will help your writing sound more poetic, interesting, and colorful. So let's get started. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some everyday idioms you can use in your writing. 1. Hit the sack. This means to go to bed. Number 2. Up in the air. This means not decided yet or uncertain. 3. Piece of cake. Very easy to do. Number 4. To get bent out of shape. This means to be unnecessarily upset or offended. Now let's use them in a sentence. After staring at the screen for over 2 hours, she decided to eat the sack and try again in the morning. So this means she decided to go to bed. Number 2. The book launch date is still up in the air because the final edits aren't done yet. This means the book launch date has not been decided yet. Number 3. Writing the outline was a piece of cake. Sticking to it was the hard part. This means that writing the outline was very easy to do. Number 4. Don't get bent out of shape over one negative review. Writers get this a lot. This means you shouldn't get offended or upset unnecessarily because of one negative review. Did you learn something new today? If you did, drop it in the comments.
Please like, share, and subscribe.